Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Handsome BD. In this video, I am going to share some in-depth information of Honor Magic V5 Fold. The Honor Magic V5 Fold features a slim profile. It is a foldable phone which measures 8.8mm when folded, which is impressive considering their flagship non-foldable, the Magic 7 Pro, is exactly 8.8mm in thickness as well. The Honor Magic V5 Fold features an 8-inch main screen with a 6.45-inch cover display. The device brings a Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite leading version chipset and a 6100 mAh battery with 66-watt fast charging facility. The Magic V5 packs a massive camera island, and it appears to be sensor likely a main, periscope telephoto and an ultra wide. It will have a 200 megapixel sensor. So friends, that's all about different information about Honor Magic V5 Fold. And you are seeing that there are different colors of this smartphone, which is taking the market by storm. So friends, hope you enjoyed the full video. Thank you.